Hey guys, here we are at the workbench again. I feel like it's been a minute. Glad to have y'all back. Today I thought I'd make a video showing y'all the process of putting the heat shrink wrap on the gear wrench ratchet. I got a new 120 XP 3/8 gear wrench just because I wanted one a little bit shorter than the other one I have. And I'm going to make a grip for it. I know y'all have already seen my other ratchets with the X-tube grips that I made. So I figured, why not make a video showing the process? Because the other video I have talking about it doesn't really show the process. So let's get into it. Okay, so for this ratchet, I used the bigger diameter just because it's a little bit wider. But for this one, I'm not going to need the bigger one. So what I did with the larger gear wrench ratchet was decide how much of the grip I want to make. And I kind of want it to fit my hand pretty well. Like this one is perfect. It's a nice big grip. So I think for this one, I want it to come up to like here, maybe. I'll just cut. I'm going to double it up a couple of times. So I'm going to go shorter on the first layer and then a little bit wider and then a little bit wider because I think I'm going to do 3 layers to make it a little beefier. I'm using my heat gun. I got it on Amazon. I will link it below. It's called Sequan. We'll go probably not the highest, but we'll go pretty warm here. Okay, I'm happy with that. And by the way, this silicone mat is heat resistant, so perfect for doing things like this. This mat is made for soldering. I also like to solder a little bit. Maybe I'll make some videos about that. Okay, we're gonna make another layer here. Okay, this time it's gonna fit over this one a little bit bigger. I turned up the heat a little bit more, closer to the max. I like to line the X's up exactly down the middle, just the cross pattern on the grit, at least as close to the middle as I can. It may not be perfect, but I like it to look somewhat decent. It's looking pretty good. I kind of want it to be a little beefier than that, so I've got some of this electric tape that's soft, like material. So I think I'm gonna wrap it with this and then go again. All right, let's see how this turns out. Okay. I might cut a little bit of the bottom off right here because that looks a little funny. Kind of make it more like I did with this one. Just get a little razor. Okay, I cut the bottom off so it doesn't look quite so silly. Looks a little bit better like that. What do y'all think? I might cut a little bit off the top there too. What do y'all think? I like it. I like it. I think it adds something that it didn't have before. And if I ever get tired of it, I can just cut it off. But now I've got this and this one. See how much longer this one is? It's like an extra whole head longer. So I like it. I'm glad I did it. And I'm going to keep it like that. So now I've got another grip added to my collection. What do y'all think? Y'all gonna try it? Have you tried it yet? Do you not like the grip style? You like it just regular without the grip? Let me know in the comments. If you've watched all the way to the end, I hope you would consider subscribing if you haven't already. If you liked the video, hit that like button. Stay tuned for more tool videos. I do have another video coming out in the next couple of days, maybe tomorrow or the next day. I'm going to be doing some work on my new project car, the 2005 Honda Civic. I'm going to be replacing some of the front suspension components. So keep an eye out for that video, and I will see y'all next time. Stay happy, healthy, and wealthy.